Bonjour, I'm Renee Walden and I'm a watercolour artist from New Zealand. This September I'm going to be hosting a 10-day art retreat in southern France. It's a dream come true for me and a lifetime chance for a small group of people, and I'm inviting you to join me. We'll be staying at peaceful Périgord retreats and painting in their beautiful surroundings. There's stunning landscapes, medieval towns, vineyards, and lots of French history and culture to explore. Our retreat will be a blend of studio time and delightful painting excursions, cultural experiences, and of course lots of free time to rest and explore. Your non-arty partner is welcome too, because there's lots to do in this region. Everything is taken care of. Cozy accommodation, lovingly prepared meals, and excursions to perfect places to paint and explore. I've been sketching and painting throughout Europe nearly every year for 14 years. And my sketchbooks are filled with very vivid and priceless memories. I can't wait to share my passion for sketching on location with you. There's a link in the description below for all the details. Any questions, just ask. A bientôt!